Hi everyone, this is iPhone 12 and it is not taking charge. When we connect it with the charger, it is not taking charge. So I'm going to clean the charging port to see if that solves the problem. For that we will use a tweezer. This kind of tweezer is very helpful to remove all the dust and lint from the charging port. You should be very careful and gently remove all the lint, because if you apply a little bit more force to the tweezer, it can cause damage in your charging port. You can see there was a lot of dust inside. Now I will use some compressed air. Usually this kind of compressed air will be used for the cleaning charging port, and I can see that there is still a lot of lint inside. Also the speakers are dirty as well, so we will clean that a little bit. Use a soft brush to clean all the lint and dust, and then use the compressed air again. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share. Now you can check it, and here you go, it's charging. So don't you waste your money and time. Just it's a simple procedure. You can do it at home very easily. Thank you very much for watching.